Revelation chapter 1 verse 1. This is the revelation of Jesus Christ. This is Jesus Christ apocalypse. To achieve that, be born again. Believe the gospel. When you are born again, you will be raised up together with Him. You will be seated in heaven. Listen, Macedonia, we are not going to heaven. We are already registered citizens of heaven. We are not going to Jerusalem. We are Jerusalem. We are not looking for the city. We are the city of God. We have come unto Mount Zion, the city of the living God, unto the spirit of just men made perfect, unto the innumerable company of angels. We have come unto the sprinkling blood that speaks better things than the blood of angels. We have come and we have become. We have come to become. We have come to become. We have come unto the mountain to be the mountain where God resides. We have come unto the city to become the city. No one lights a lamp and put it under a basket. But the Bible says you are the city that cannot be hidden. You are the city. You are the city. If you want to know the address of God, He lives in you. He resides in you. He lives in the inside of you. You are the house of God. We are not looking for the city, but we are the city of the living God. Religion has made us to postpone things for us to look forward for the city. But God says, you have become. You have become. Even today, the God in the was born again. Ingase ndohlala pha because phaya kukho violence. Ingase ndohlala pha because phaya kusetyhodi. Babe beyazi abantu. Ningathi sisiqwala apha kwisixeko sikaThixo akukho nomnye onothi ndiyafa. Akukho nomnye onothi ndiyabuyeleka. Apha isifo asaziwa khona. Apha ukufa akaziwa khona. Apha inhlupheko ayaziwa khona. Apha ukulila akwaziwa khona. Bayaphila abantu apha. Welcome to Zion. Welcome to Zion. Welcome to Zion. Welcome to Zion. Revelation chapter 1 verse 1. This is the revelation of Jesus Christ. This is Jesus Christ apocalypse.